Your roof is one of the most important features of your home. It protects you from the elements, insulates your home, and contributes to your property's curb appeal. For homeowners in Warren, where extreme weather conditions such as heavy snowfalls, rainstorms, and high winds are common, maintaining the integrity of your roof is critical to ensure its longevity and performance. Regular roof maintenance is essential to prevent small issues from turning into costly, large-scale problems. In this article, we'll explore why regular roof maintenance is so important for Warren homeowners and how it can save you money in the long run while ensuring your home stays safe and comfortable. Prevent costly repairs and extending roof life. One of the main reasons why regular roof maintenance is essential is because it helps prevent costly repairs down the line. Roofs are exposed to constant wear and tear from the environment, so performing routine inspections and maintenance can identify small problems before they escalate. Catch issues early. During a professional roof inspection, issues like cracked shingles, missing nails, and leaks can be identified early and fixed before they cause significant damage. If left untreated, these minor issues can lead to water damage, mold growth, and structural damage, all of which can be costly to repair. Extend roof life. Regular inspections and maintenance can also help prolong the life of your roof. By addressing small repairs, cleaning debris, and maintaining roof connectors like flashing and gutters, you can extend the lifespan of your roof by years. This not only saves you money on early replacement costs, but also keeps your roof functioning as intended for as long as possible. Improved energy efficiency. Your roof plays a crucial role in your home's overall energy efficiency. Over time, small holes or gaps in your roof can lead to air leaks, which can increase heating and cooling costs. Regular roof maintenance can help ensure that your home remains properly insulated and energy efficient, keeping utility bills in check. Seal gaps and leaks. Professional roof maintenance includes checking for any holes, gaps, or damaged areas in the roof. By sealing these gaps, you can prevent heated or cooled air from escaping your home. This not only keeps your home more comfortable, but also reduces the need for your HVAC system to work overtime, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Insulation maintenance. Roof maintenance also involves inspecting the insulation in the attic or roof space. Proper insulation helps keep your home at a comfortable temperature while reducing energy consumption. If insulation is damaged or insufficient, roof maintenance can help address that and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. Protecting your home from water damage. In Warren, where rainstorms and snowstorms are frequent, water damage is a serious concern for homeowners. Your roof is your first line of defense against the elements, and even the smallest leak can lead to significant water damage inside your home. Prevent leaks. Regular roof maintenance helps identify and fix any potential leaks. Whether it's a small crack in the shingles or an issue with the flashing around vents and chimneys, addressing these issues early on prevents water from seeping into your home and causing damage to walls, ceilings, and insulation. Gutter cleaning. Clogged gutters are one of the leading causes of roof leaks and water damage. During maintenance, gutters are cleaned of debris, ensuring that water flows properly off the roof and away from your home. This helps prevent water from pooling around the foundation, which could lead to structural damage or flooding. Maintain curb appeal and property value. Your roof is a significant part of your home's exterior and overall curb appeal. A well-maintained roof not only adds to your home's aesthetic but also boosts its property value. If you're thinking of selling your home, a roof that has been well maintained and is in good condition can increase its market value and make it more attractive to buyers. Enhanced curb appeal. A clean, well-maintained roof with no visible damage enhances the look of your home from the street. It gives the impression that the house has been well cared for, which can make a positive first impression to guests or potential buyers. Property value. A new roof or a roof in excellent condition can increase the value of your property. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for a home with a well-maintained roof since they won't have to worry about the cost of roof repairs or replacement in the near future. Regular roof maintenance ensures your roof looks its best and maintains its value. Peace of mind and safety. Roof maintenance is not only about saving money and improving efficiency, it also provides peace of mind and enhances the safety of your home. A well-maintained roof ensures that your home remains protected from external elements, keeping your family and belongings safe. Safety from severe weather. In Warren, where heavy snow, hail, and strong winds are common, a well-maintained roof can help protect your home from potential damage caused by these weather conditions. A damaged or weak roof is more likely to fail during severe weather, which could lead to extensive damage to the structure of the home and the interior. Peace of mind. Regular roof maintenance gives homeowners peace of mind, knowing that their roof is in good condition and can withstand the elements. This reduces the anxiety associated with roof-related issues and provides confidence that your home is safe and secure. The role of a professional roofing company. While homeowners can perform some basic roof maintenance tasks like cleaning gutters and inspecting for visible damage, it's essential to hire a professional roofing company for a thorough inspection and repair. A professional roofing company has the experience and tools to identify issues that may not be immediately visible and can ensure that all aspects of the roof are in optimal condition. Expert inspections. Professional roofing companies can spot potential problems that homeowners may miss, such as weakened flashing, hidden leaks, or signs of structural damage. This allows for timely repairs that can save you from costly problems down the line. Licensed and insured. A professional roofing company is licensed, insured, and familiar with local building codes, which means your roof will be properly repaired or replaced with the highest quality standards in mind. Conclusion. Regular roof maintenance is essential for Warren homeowners looking to protect their investment and ensure the longevity of their homes. By addressing small issues early on, you can prevent costly repairs, improve your home's energy efficiency, protect it from water damage, and maintain its curb appeal and value. Whether you handle some tasks yourself or hire a professional roofing company, keeping Keeping your roof in top condition will save you money, stress, and ensure your home remains safe and comfortable for